I don't see any sticks for arms. Lauren, do you like the snow?
Yeah.
It's pretty fun, isn't it?
I like to play in snow. Mommy, our snowmen are starting to melt.
No.
If the snow melts, we can't make a snowman. There, now it's snow. Now it's the snow. I love the snow. Snow!
Yay!
Mommy, it's hard to build snowmen.
It's a lot of work, isn't it?
Yeah, it's more fun to build snowmen.
Ooh, that's a big chunk. Put it on top. Are your feet cold, Lauren?
No.